So I'm Alan from Axis Harvesting, and we produce harvesting equipment for the mushroom industry. We supply a harvesting conveyor where the harvester places mushrooms onto the mushroom holding finger with two hands, and they are then processed by our mushroom processing unit, which you see here. The mushroom processing unit grades mushrooms from smallest to largest across 6 sizes. It weighs the punnets individually and then ejects them. This machine can process approximately 280 to 300 kilos per hour of mushrooms, and 2 people can utilise this machine at one time. Prices range from €370 per square metre for a pull-across farm, and for your conventional style where you have a conveyor on every shelf, it ranges from €580 per square metre. Currently we are utilised on 3 farms, 1 in Canada and 2 farms in Europe. And currently we are using 64 harvesting conveyors, approximately 28 of our harvesting machines, and 13 of our bulk processing machines for harvesting into bulk boxes.
Dat kan niet afblieven, joh. Hè? Than one mushroom.
That's okay.